Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is a follow-up from yesterday's video, and so I'm just going to briefly walk you through what I did yesterday. So this is the skincare routine. So this is just the complexion cream and the brightening serum from Roxelle Cosmetics, which goes on my face, and then this is the curl defining mousse that goes in my hair, and I let my hair air dry. Then I'm going in with concealer on my lid. I always start with concealer on my lid. You really want to blend that in, and then I go with the transitional color. A transitional color is any color just to set down that concealer that matches your natural color. Then I go in with the Real Techniques brush and I pump some black into the corners. I hope you guys like this view of this video, by the way, my split screen. Then I go in with a MAC fluffy brush and I take brown and I just do windshield wiper motions on my eyelid to blend out the brown and also to bring some of that black up. As you can see here, I'm going into that black color that's on my lid and I'm blending it up, and everything I do to one eye, I do to the other eye. And we're just really gonna blend. I keep a lot of the blending in this video just to really bring the point home that blending is very important. I had somebody comment on a video that I don't blend enough. So I just wanted to make sure you guys see that this is how I blend. This is my signature eyeshadow look. This is doesn't matter what I'm doing that day. If I don't have a specific outfit I want to match, this is the eyeshadow look that I do. It is my go-to. Okay. So after that, we're going to put some more brown in the corners, again with that Real Techniques brush. It just gives us the opportunity, sorry, car driving by. It gives us the opportunity to really just precisely put it where we want to put it. And I'm also blending it up a little bit to kind of go over that brown color. I don't know if I keep it in this video, but I do go back in with the blending of the MAC brush with the brown color on it just to blend everything out. Then I go in with a very light gold shimmer shade and I just do that on the inner corner to the middle of my eye and I put it on with my finger. It's easier to pick up pigment. Then I go in with a regular eyeliner and I put it on my waterline, and then I do an eyeliner on top, and then I don't have it in this video, but I also do the eyeliner on the bottom underneath the waterline with the liquid liner just to kind of trap everything under there so I don't get that runniness under my eye from my eyeliner. Then I go with the RCMA setting powder and the Real Techniques sponge, the beauty sponge, and I press that down into my skin. And this is the final look after I do the rest of my face, my eyebrows, lashes, my lipstick, and of course the outfit. Never underestimate the importance of the outfit that you wear. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like the editing that I've been doing for these videos, just trying to make it easier so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Don't forget to check out Roxelle Cosmetics, my hair, scalp, and skincare line for the products that I used in the beginning of this video. See you later. Bye.